Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. I'm Nancy, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this week's craft. And guess what? It's Talk Like a Pirate, or it's a little pirate hat, exactly. So Talk Like a Pirate Day is actually September 19th, but come into the library dressed like a pirate on the 18th. We'd love to see you in costume, and I'm sure we can find some fun pirate books for you to read, like maybe this one. But anyways, here's how this one goes. You're going to get 2 sheets of paper. Oh, and also you'll be getting this fun little activity sheet, an I Spy a Pirate, and a fill-in-the-blank kind of one. So you'll be getting 2 sheets, this sheet, and then this one with these 3. And what you'll need are some crayons or some markers or colored pencils, some scissors, and then some tape or glue to put it together. So what you're going to do first is color. We colored this one in black because, well, pirates have black hats, but if you like yours in red or even pink, you do you. And I'm just going to add some funny colored eyes to my pirate hat. And after you color it, then the next thing that you want to do is cut it out. So you also want to cut out all 3 strips. So you just want to kind of color. Now, we did these all black. My friend Miss Connie helped me color today, but you can do yours in stripes, you can do yours in pink, you can make it polka dotted, or you can bling it out, however you want these strips. And then after you get them all colored, it's just a matter of cutting them out. Just follow the lines and you just cut like that. Now you might not need all 3 of these strips, or you might, so you just kind of cut them out like this. And then what you're going to do once you have all of the pieces cut out, the hat on the first page and then these 3 strips of paper on the second one, once they're colored, what you're going to do is put this together. Now what you want to do is figure out how big is your head. So you might start with just 2 strips of paper, and like I said, you can use a little glue or a little tape. So you could like put a little glue like this, and then you might kind of put the tape over it just to make sure that it's nice and secure, like this. And then you'll do the same on the other side. A little glue maybe. A little tape like this. Some tape to keep it in place. And then once you have that together, then you have to figure out, like I said, how big is your head? So you kind of wrap it around your head like this, and then you'll kind of put it together like this. And then wherever you put it together, you're going to put a little glue like this, and a little more tape to hold it in place. And on this one, I probably would do 2 tape. 1 on that side and 1 on the inside, just to keep it together. Just like that. And then, ahoy mateys! I'm ready for a Talk Like a Pirate Day. Come in and see us on the 18th. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!